you have been indicted with count 1, causing death by dangerous driving, contrary to section 46 of the Traffic Act, and 4 laws of Kenya. Unaelewa Kiswahili ama Kizungu? Mstakiwa nasema Kizungu ama Kiswahili. Causing death by dangerous driving, contrary to section 46 of the Traffic Act, Cap 4 laws of Kenya. The particulars of the offense are: on the 9th day of January 2024, at about 024 hours at Queensbridge area along Nakuru Road in Kuresoi sub-county within Nakuru County, being the driver of a motor vehicle registration number 688588805, next man bus, did drive the said motor vehicle along the said public road in a manner which was dangerous to the public, having regard of all circumstances of the case, including the nature, condition and use of the road, and the amount of traffic which was actually on the road at that time, and failed to keep its proper traffic lane, and swerved to the right, hence collided head-on with an oncoming motor vehicle registration number KCK 387S, make Toyota Matatu, thereby causing the death of the driver, namely John Koskei Martin, 86 years. 36 years. Is it true that you did that?
So you will be, the matter will be mentioned on the 29th of January this year before court number 1 for pretrial directions. And the accused is given a bond of 1 million shillings with 2 sureties of a similar amount. And then is to be taken for treatment because I can see he's visibly injured and is in pain.
No. Haya, tuthie riboti-inĩ ya Wairimu wa Kĩmanina